One of the ways you can customize your Galaxy Watch 4 is by setting a watch face that is completely unique. And doing that is very simple. Open the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, then tap on Watch Faces. Here, look for the Photo Plus option under the Basic Watch Faces category. This will begin the Photo Plus watch face download. As soon as it will be downloaded, you will find the watch face to be selected on the top screen. Right below the watch face, you will find Customize option. Tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you can customize the watch face style. However, I will first change the default photo. Tap on the background and select the gallery option to choose the picture that you want as your watch face. You can adjust the picture, zoom in or zoom out, edit the image, and more after selecting the image. Just tap on done once you are done. Now you can go back to the pre-made watch face and select the digital clock style that complements your picture. You can also select analog clock designs as well as fonts here. I like this design, so I am not going to change that. On the next screen, you get the option to customize the clock color. I would recommend a color that doesn't get mixed with your picture. So choose a dark color if your background is light and vice versa. Next, you can select complications for your watch screen. They are a kind of widget that can give you quick access to GPS, workout, or health tracking profiles on your watch screen. So for the first one, let's select battery complication to track your watch's battery. For the second complication, I will select the steps complication to monitor my daily steps. For third, I will select the walking profile. For the fourth complication, I will select a shortcut for quick access to quickly see all the apps running in the background. The last complication is right below the clock, and I will let the default calendar complication to remain here. It is time to change the color of the complication as white is not visible in this background. Once you are done, just press the save button and your watch face will be synced to the watch. If you also want to know more about the other stock watch faces, then I would recommend checking out our Watch 4 custom watch face video. I have discussed in great detail what all you can do on the Watch 4. So guys, that's it from me today. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We make various videos on smartwatches that a fellow tech enthusiast like you will enjoy. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.